Fada 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 Alukwamo loyal, fada 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 Hi guys, hi. It's your girl Elsu. I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my favorite delicacy, and it's locally made. Is words cannot describe how I love this meal. For this recipe, we're going to be going down south eastern region of Nigeria to the tribe known as the Igbos. Igbo kwenu manu We're showing you how to make the local delicacy commonly had amongst the Igbo tribe of Nigeria. This is a meal eaten for a well done job. At the end of the day or at the end of the week, fellow businessmen go to their favorite spot and request for this meal. This meal is full of life. The meat, oh my god. If you don't lick your hands 100 times, then you're definitely missing. And it is not a meal you want to use fork or cutlery to eat it. You definitely have to use your hand. You have to wash it and dive in. And I'm going to be showing you how to make this local delicacy called Isi-Ewu. I'm going to be showing you how to make Isi-Ewu. Isi-Ewu is goat head. Isi, head. Ewu is goat. Hence the name goat head. Alright. I will be giving you step-by-step process on this delicacy. So stay tuned, get your pen and paper, and keep watching. I will go down to the kitchen and make this meal. Did someone say Isi-Ewu? The ingredients: Cameroon pepper, ehuru. Ehuru is spice used to make this goat head. If you want to know where to get this, leave a comment below. Shrimp seasoning, some volume cubes, sea salt, otazi, crayfish, palm oil, scotch bonnet, 2 old onions, goat head. My washed goat head with the brain. Show you a quick video of how I wash my goat head. Add washed meat to the pot, water, blended mix, bouillon cubes, shrimp seasoning, Cameroon pepper, ehuru, salt, just salt. There. Some crayfish, more water, cook for 30 minutes until it's a bit soft and tender. It's about 30 minutes now. Use a skewer to check the softness of it, and it's quite very soft. Add some otazi, about a handful of it. Also taste the sauce. Add one more extra to it. Palm oil, 1, 2. Stir it. Add just a little bit more palm oil. Allow this to boil for about 5 minutes. This should be on low heat. Turn off the heat. Heat is off. And it's giving us that porridge feeling which we want, because this is the juice and it's thick. Here, potash water. I'm gonna give it a mix with my finger like this. Pour about a third cup of the water to it to start to mix. If it's not enough, you add more potash. Continue stirring. Here you have it. It smells so good. It looks so good, and obviously tastes so nice. I will serve. I've got my calabash. We'll first put the bones down. Just be careful. Just trying to add as much as I can. So this is it, all served. I'll transfer it to a plate. Finish this with onion. Just for color, just put a bit of pepper. Finish this with our parsley. I hope you find this video quite interactive, entertaining, and also educative. Don't forget to share, thumbs up, you know what I'm saying, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below to let me know how I can improve and also what you liked about this video. Don't be shy to comment down below to let me know what you would like me to film for you next. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next food recipe video. Bye!